Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 1.2. Question number first is represent these numbers on the number line, and second is represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11 and minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. So I am doing question number 2 and the question one is like question number 2. Just writing some integers from 0. So let this will be 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. What we have done is, we have just written the negative integers, and negative integers are always on the left hand side of the 0. Okay, what we have to find is, we have to find the rational number with denominator 11. So what I will do is, I will place 11 below each integer. So it will be a rational number. Okay, so what we will do is we have to find 2 upon 11. Now this is our 2 upon 11. Next is minus 5 upon 11. So this will be our 5 upon 11. And the last is minus 9 upon 11. So this will be our 9 upon 11. And we can say that 11 minus 11 upon 11 will be minus 1. Okay, so this is our minus 1. Okay, so this will be our number line. Next is write 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. Rational number which are smaller than 2. So what I have to do is, how many rational number we have to find? We have to find 5. So what I have to do is just convert this 2 into a rational number. So what I have to do is just put a 1 below it. Now it's a rational number. And how many rational numbers we have to find? We have to find okay, 5 rational numbers. So what I will do is just multiply this by 5. So it will be 10 by 5. Okay, so what I have to do is we have to find 5 rational number below 2. So 10 by 5 and number just the previous one will be 9 by 5, 8 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 4 by 5 by 5, comma 4 by 5, and the rest it will be there. All of these are less than 2. Okay, this is 5, 10 upon 5 it will be 2, and all of these are less than 2. What if we have to find number greater than 2? So it will be 11 by 5, 12 by 5. Okay, this will be greater than 2. So our answer will be this. These are less than 2. Next, question number 4. Find 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So how many rational number we have to find? 10. So just write the numbers minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, so what we have to do is just make the denominator same. So we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 2 will be 10. Okay, divide the denominator by 5. So 10 divided by 5 will be 2, and 2 into 2 will be minus 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 into 1 will be 5. Okay. How many rational number we have to find? We have to find 10 rational number. Then I have to multiply it by 11. So I will multiply both of these numbers by 11 by 11. So minus 4 by 10 multiply by 11 upon 11 and 5 by 10 multiply by 11 upon 11. So it will be minus 44 upon 110 and it will be 55 upon 110. So can we find 10 rational number between them? Yes. It will be minus 43 by 110, minus 42 by 110, minus 40 by 110, minus 10 upon 110, minus 9 upon 110, comma 0 upon 110, 1 upon 110, 20 upon 110, 30 upon 110, 35 upon 110, 40 by 110. All of these are between these two rational numbers. Okay. So what we have to do is just find the LCM of the denominators and change them accordingly. Okay. Then what we have to do is how many numbers we have to find. We have to find 10, then multiply both of these by 11 upon 11. Okay. If we have to find 5, then multiply both of these by 6 by 6 and get the answer. Okay. Next is find 5 rational number between. So question number 5th, what I have to do is I am doing question number 3rd, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Question is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. How many we have to find? We have to find only 5. So first of all, make the denominator same. So LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4. So it will be 1 and it will be 2. Okay. So what I have to do is we have to find how many? 5. So multiply both of them by 6 upon 6. So it will be 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 6 and 2 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 6. So it will be 6 upon 24 and 12 by 24. And between them we can have 7 upon 24, 8 upon 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. These are the 5 rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Okay. Next is write 5 rational numbers that are greater than minus 2. So what we have to do is we can just also write this, that which are greater than minus 2. So minus 2 greater than minus 2. So it can be minus 1 upon 1, 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1. All of these are greater than what? Minus 2. Okay. The last question is find 10 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. How many do you have to find? 10. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So, I think all of you know it, that 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. First of all, LCM. So, LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. This will be 20 and this will be 20. Divide 20 by 5, that will be 4. 4 into 3 will be 12. Divide 20 by 4. 5. 5 3s are 15. How many numbers we have to find? We have to find 10. So multiply it by 11. So it will be 12 by 20 multiplied by 11 upon 11 and 15 by 20 multiplied by 11 upon 11. So 12 into 11 will be 132 upon 220 and 15 into 11 will be 165 upon 220. So can we find only 10 rational numbers between them? Yes. So it will be 133 upon 220, 134 upon 220, 135 upon 220, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142. So upon 220, upon 220, upon 220 and upon 220. Okay, these are the 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, so class, this was your exercise number 3, the first point. So class, this was the exercise number 1.2. Okay, for next chapter you can watch my next videos. Okay, thank you class.